Just a decade ago, China barely had a motorhome industry at all. Today, it has become the fourth largest RV market on the planet, and the machines coming out of its factories are so wildly advanced that the American models parked in your local dealership suddenly look like relics from another century. From a plain-looking van that rises into a full two-story home with a private bathroom floating in the sky, to record-breaking giants molded from the same material as fighter jets, China is quietly building the most extreme motorhomes ever made. In this video, you'll discover the 8 most jaw-dropping Chinese RVs in the world. And I promise you, by the time we reach number 1, you'll see something no Western factory has ever dared to build. Number 8. Maxus Life Home V90 Villa Edition. Saving the most jaw-dropping for last, we open with a motorhome that looks completely ordinary on the highway, right up until the moment it decides to grow. Driving down the road, it looks like a fairly typical Class C motorhome, but once it's in park, there's a special surprise: a pop-up second floor. And here's the detail that leaves people speechless. To reach that upstairs, you don't climb a ladder. A single-person elevator provides access to the pop-up second floor, eliminating the need for a sidewall ladder or staircase. An actual elevator inside a motorhome. We've seen two-story RVs before, but RVs with elevators? Pretty sure this is a first. The glass-enclosed second floor adds 133 square feet to the living quarters, spacious enough to serve as a yoga studio, zen space, or tea room, with a little balcony perched above the driver's cab and floor-to-ceiling glass walls that tint at the touch of a button. Downstairs, the main level opens up with slide-out walls into a full apartment with a kitchen, a wraparound couch, a bathroom, and a transparent TV that turns into a window when you switch it off. But here's what truly stuns the West. The Maxus Life Home V90 Villa Edition starts at $413,000, and SAIC sells it exclusively in China. No Western automaker builds anything like it at any price. A rolling townhome with its own elevator, kept entirely for the home market. Number 7. Dettel RV Carbonic Liner 78. Now we reach a vehicle that earned a world record most people didn't even know existed. The Carbonic Liner 78 is officially the largest carbon fiber motorhome on the planet, with its body, interior pieces, and even parts under the hood molded from the same feather-light, super-strong material used in Formula One cars and jets. It stretches nearly 26 feet long, weighs about 1,500 pounds, and packs a monster lithium battery rated at 1,680 amp-hours, feeding a rooftop blanketed in 1,800 watts of solar panels. But the truly unbelievable part is the road trip Dettel used to prove it. In 2023, a team drove these campers 13,200 miles from eastern China all the way to Dusseldorf, camping at 14,700 feet high in the mountains of Tibet and surviving temperatures that plunged to 40 degrees below zero in Russia. No Western brand launches a product with a 45-day torture drive like that. But surviving the wilderness by going lighter is one kind of magic. The last machine on this list defies gravity in the opposite direction. It grows a second floor into the sky, and you reach it in an elevator. Number 6. Chang'an Fengjing Blue Whale. Here's a pickup that refuses to choose between comfort and going where roads don't exist. The Chang'an Fengjing Blue Whale is a factory-built off-road camper with a 2.0-liter turbo engine pushing out 233 horsepower and locking four-wheel drive on every corner. That's genuine truck-level muscle wrapped around a rolling apartment. It has 5 driving modes and a rear differential lock, which is a fancy way of saying both back wheels grip the ground together so it claws out of mud and sand instead of spinning helplessly. But here's what should worry the West. This thing starts at around $40,000. A comparable Ford or Jeep off-road build costs nearly double once you fit it for expedition life. China is delivering serious backcountry capability at a price that makes American buyers do a double take. But a bargain off-roader is one flavor of brilliance. The next machine is built from the same featherlight material as a fighter jet, and it earned a world record most people didn't even know existed. Number 5. BYD T5 Hybrid Motorhome You already know BYD as the company that outsold Tesla. Now they've turned that same battery genius toward the motorhome, and the result is astonishing. The BYD T5 Hybrid runs on a 1.5-liter turbo engine paired with the famous Blade battery packing just over 55 kilowatt-hours, enough for around 90 miles of pure electric driving before a drop of gasoline gets used. Picture pulling into a peaceful campsite in total silence. No rumbling engine, no fumes, just electric quiet. But here's the twist that leaves Western RV builders speechless. Almost every American motorhome still burns gas or diesel exclusively, the same setup they've used for 50 years. BYD simply took the electric platform it already mass produces for cars and dropped a home on top of it, hitting a hefty 14,300-pound weight rating without breaking a sweat. But cutting-edge electrification is only half the story. The next machine wrapped that same genius around something you'd normally have to leave the pavement to find. Number 4. SkyDream Space Camping. Imagine arriving at a packed campground, stepping out of your car, and simply walking away while your camper backs itself perfectly into the spot. That's the party trick of the SkyDream Space Camping, a travel trailer from a Chongqing startup that looks like it rolled straight out of a spaceship, finished in luminous pearl white with light strips that glow blue the instant you switch on smart mode. Integrated AI handles tasks like automatically hitching the trailer to a tow vehicle, self-parking at a campsite, and mundane operations like turning the lights off and on or adjusting climate controls. There's even an automatic parking function that's capable of piloting the RV into vertical and parallel spots once you've arrived at the campsite. But here's the twist. This thing runs on the same technology as a modern electric car, riding on a skateboard-style chassis with 2 built-in motors. The entire 26.5-foot-long rig carries a lithium battery packing up to 85 kilowatt-hours, and combined with up to 2,200 watts of roof-mounted solar, SkyDream claims the trailer can provide a whopping 2 weeks' worth of off-grid power. It even took home the Platinum Award, the highest honor at the Muse Design Awards. But a trailer that parks itself is one kind of wizardry. The next machine tore up the rulebook on what an RV even runs on. Number 3. EcoCampor. Now meet the company quietly selling Chinese-built campers on 6 continents while most people don't even know it exists. EcoCampor was founded back in 2009 in Foshan by a metalworking specialist named Raymond Wu, and today it operates out of a factory covering 645,000 square feet, bigger than 11 football fields. That's not a garage startup. That's an industrial machine. Their off-road trailers are known for tough suspension systems and durable coatings built to shrug off desert dust and mountain rock. But the truly telling detail is where these campers end up. EcoCampor already has dealers across North America, Australia, Europe, Japan, Korea, the Middle East, and South Africa. In other words, Chinese engineering is rolling into the exact markets that once dominated this industry, and the customers can't always tell where their rugged new trailer was actually built. But conquering export markets is one kind of victory. The next machine proves China can make an RV drive itself when you're not even touching it. Number 2. Dettel RV Easy Tour E-Pro. Here's a Chinese motorhome that has already parked itself right in the heart of Germany, the spiritual home of the European camper. The Dettel Easy Tour E-Pro landed at the Giant Caravan Salon in Düsseldorf and went on sale in Europe starting at around 149,000 euros, with a larger family version stretching just under 24 feet long. But the fact that makes this story remarkable isn't the price, it's who's behind it. Dettel belongs to a group founded by Miao Zhuozhang, a former president of the Geely Group, the same automotive empire that owns Volvo. This isn't some anonymous workshop. It's top-tier Chinese car money and know-how aimed straight at the RV world. To pull the whole thing off, Dettel builds its bodies onto trusted European chassis like the Iveco Daily, meaning the frame is European while the brilliant interior is pure China. But borrowed European bones are one path to greatness. The next machine quietly turned Chinese campers into a global export empire. Number 1. Sinotruk Howo 66 Expedition RV. If the everyday campers you've seen impressed you, prepare yourself, because this is a full-blown heavy truck turned into a fortress on wheels. The Sinotruk Howo 66 is an all-wheel drive expedition monster measuring nearly 36 feet long and standing over 13 feet tall, taller than a city bus. Under the hood, you'll find engines producing up to 336 horsepower and a staggering 995 pound-feet of pulling force, the kind of grunt normally reserved for hauling cargo across continents. It rides on 6 driven wheels, so all 3 axles power the ground at once, and it can be fitted with mining tires designed to crawl over rubble. But the wildest part isn't the muscle, it's the freedom. Inside, the whole living space can be customized however the owner wants, turning an industrial workhorse into a luxury bunker capable of reaching places no Western RV would dare approach. But sheer muscle is just one form of genius. The next machine took the opposite approach, planting Chinese money and know-how right in the heart of Europe. From a $40,000 off-road pickup to a home that lifts a second floor into the sky, these 8 machines prove that China hasn't just entered the motorhome race, it's rewriting the rules while the West sleeps. Remember those questions I raised at the start? China builds nearly all of this on European chassis and exports most of it abroad, yet keeps its wildest creation, the elevator villa, entirely for itself. That's how far ahead the engineering has run. Now tell me, which of these Chinese motorhomes shocked you the most? Let me know in the comments. Hit like if this video blew your mind and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. See you in the next video.